Maayong hapon. Another day, another dollar. Just
Don't say
back from
too much
work.
because Kyle will be ringing you up saying, "Where's my money? I want money, Mama."
so rainy day. Yeah. Kani ako ang partner kinahanglan mulakaw gini siya kada adlaw. Ako ni siya saguon paglakaw aning ulan. Aning maulan nga adlaw tanaw nato unsay relax. After you drop me off at home, you need to grab your walking shoes and you need to go out and do some walking for half an hour.
Will you go first and I'll follow you?
No, I'm doing my gym
We'll go
every
for it.
second day.
Go for it. I'm quite
So
happy for
I
it.
don't need to go and do walking, you know. So it's good for you to have some exercise daily,
It's exercise.
especially that you're not working.
I need exercise.
No, it's not good.
I'd rather have exercise than exercise.
You can't perform properly, so no need. You need to do some exercise. So look at the weather, it's very bad.
And so you're telling me to go outside?
Palit mig pan. Kaya unsa man ni sila di man ni mabuhi og way pan, mura pug atoa baka nang bugas. Kanon, di ta mabuhi og way kanon. Ang ilaha kay pan. So walay pan. Ano na sila kuan? Nili mabuhi.
Or park over here
Pan
and just rush in.
or potato na ilaha. Atoa kay kanon. So wala na gina sila pan, mag-uul kay na sila wala na pan. So palit na siya pan. Now you go. I just sit here and
Why?
wait for you.
Go in and get some flour for me.
No, you go. Did you do what I said to you, honey?
Me?
You need to do some walking.
Are you kidding me? I'm going to bed.
Let's chamlakaw.
No, you're doing a video.
Bun sa una piting ko anak ko maglakaw mi sa ito sa mga sa buntod maghangak. Nagguroy pila ka kilo. Jud siya mulakaw tapulan jud kayo na mulakaw ka na. Ay, kapait. Jud mo jud na yung position the whole day. Saon na lang
What happens
antiyan.
when you're semi-retired?
Antiyan mo samot kadako. Saon na lang. So, retired na ko na siya eh. Retired ko naman, get no money. Pagkapait. Maayong